EDO 2020. Ize-Iyamu don promise Tinubu access to Edo State Treasury, 3 commissioners and 12 board chairmen if Tinubu support am for dis coming election. People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Edo State don tok say Osage Ize-Iyamu, wey be di candidate of All Progressives Congress (APC), don promise to approve nomination of 3 commissioners, 7 council chairmen and 12 board chairmen enter im cabinet and government. PDP tok say Ize-Iyamu don promise to do all dis one if APC national leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu support am to become governor of Edo State. Edo PDP publicity secretary Chris Neihare na tok dis one on behalf of Edo PDP campaign council as e tok say dis kind broadcast wey Bola Tinubu do on Tuesday 15 September 2020 show say APC dey very desperate. He tok say Tinubu don already release another $10 million join the compulsory 300 million naira wey Lagos State local government chairman come bring to buy vote on election day from Edo electorates. Neihare come tok say Ize-Iyamu agree to allow Tinubu nominate 3 commissioners, 7 council chairmen and 12 board chairmen, and he still agree to open Edo State Treasury give Tinubu to take achieve im presidential ambition come 2023. Im still tok say na all dis Ize-Iyamu promise to Tinubu na im make am come mobilize Lagos State local government chairmen to donate 300 million naira give Ize-Iyamu election. Dem tok say Tinubu come still top and support Ize-Iyamu election with $10 million, but e dey lie say na federal government na im bring the money come. Neihare yarn say dem wan use the money buy votes and mobilize lions and tigers for Edo. He still tok say APC don begin dey reason to buy votes since dem see say dem no go fit win Obaseki for Edo 2020 elections. Edo PDP come encourage Edo people to collect any money wey dem see on election day and make dem consider am as part of their money wey dem be thief. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo PDP don tok say Ize-Iyamu promise Tinubu access to Edo State Treasury, 3 commissioners and 12 board chairmen if he support am for dis coming Edo State election. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi from Benin.